Stairs.
Stairs.
Steps.
Steps.
Ramp.
Ramp.
Ladder.
Ladder.
Escalator.
Escalator.
Lift.
Lift.
Step ladder.
Step ladder.
Moving walkway.
Moving walkway.
Baggage carousel.
Baggage carousel.
Bridge.
Bridge.
Footbridge.
Footbridge. Now, let's talk about various kinds of bags vocabulary that we use in our daily lives.
Shoulder bag.
Shoulder bag.
Clutch.
Clutch.
Duffel bag.
Duffel bag.
Wallet.
Wallet.
Drawstring bag.
Drawstring bag.
Chain bag.
Chain bag.
Tote bag.
Tote bag.
Crossbody bag.
Crossbody bag.
Fanny pack.
Fanny pack.
Messenger bag.
Messenger bag.
Vanity bag.
Vanity bag.
Backpack.
Backpack.
Now I'm telling you hair vocabulary in English.
Mom, what do you call this hair in English?
This is called curly hair.
Oh, curly hair. What is this called?
This is called wavy hair.
Wavy hair.
What is this called, my sweetie?
Mom, he is bald. What is this hairstyle called?
This is called braid.
Braid. What this haircut called?
She has a fringe.
Fringe.
This is called ponytail.
Ponytail. Mom, what's this beautiful hair called?
This is called straight hair.
I love straight hair.
This is a bun hairstyle.
Bun hairstyle.
She is blonde.
Blonde.
She is ginger.
Ginger. Let's explore other important everyday used vocabulary.
Rocking chair.
Rocking chair.
Folding chair.
Folding chair.
Stool.
Stool.
Deck chair.
Deck chair.
Beanbag.
Beanbag.
Egg chair.
Egg chair.
Bench.
Bench.
Recliner.
Recliner.
High chair.
High chair.
Throne.
Throne.
Bar stool.
Bar stool.
Navel or belly button.
Navel or belly button.
Armpit.
Armpit.
Collarbone.
Collarbone.
Knuckles.
Knuckles.
Calf.
Calf.
Ankle.
Ankle.
Knee.
Knee.
Wrist.
Wrist.
Elbow.
Elbow. Like, subscribe and share.